Hello everyone and a very warm welcome. It's your friend, Dr. Oz, and I'm so glad you've joined us here at Medicine and Health Info MK. Today, we are diving deep into a topic that is crucial for your overall health, yet often overlooked. We're talking about your pelvic floor. Think of these muscles as the foundation of your core, the very hammock that supports vital organs. Strengthening this area can have a profound impact on your life, from improving bladder control, enhancing stability, boosting your confidence. We're going to unlock these secrets together, step by step, to help you build a stronger, more resilient body from the inside out. Now, before we jump into exercises, I need to make something crystal clear. I am here as your trusted health enthusiast, dedicated to sharing information that can empower you on your wellness journey. However, this is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Every single body is unique, with its own history and specific needs. Therefore, it is absolutely essential that you consult with your physician or a qualified physical therapist before beginning any new exercise regimen. They can help ensure these exercises are right for you. Imagine a finely tuned orchestra where every instrument plays its part in perfect harmony. Your body is that orchestra, and your pelvic floor muscles are a key section. When they are weak, the entire performance can suffer. But the good news, the fantastic news, is that these muscles are just like any other muscle in your body. Get ready to feel more in control and connected to your body than ever before. Let's begin this journey to a stronger you. The very first and most crucial step in this entire process is simply locating your pelvic floor muscles. You can't exercise a muscle if you don't know where it is or how to engage it. Many people struggle with this initial step, so don't worry if it takes a few tries. The most common and effective way to identify them is to think about the muscles you would use to stop the flow of urine midstream. Try to isolate that specific squeezing and lifting sensation. It's not about clenching your buttocks. It's not about squeezing your thighs. It's not about holding your breath. It is a subtle, internal lift. Once you've successfully done this once or twice to identify the feeling, don't make a habit of it while urinating. Another helpful visualization technique is to imagine you are trying to stop yourself from passing gas. The muscles you would tighten to do that are part of your pelvic floor. Focus on isolating this specific group. The feeling is an internal squeeze and lift, almost like an elevator rising gently inside your pelvis. It can be helpful to lie down on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor when you first try this. Let's try a mental image. Picture a small marble inside your vagina or at the base of your pelvis. Now imagine your pelvic floor muscles are a gentle hand trying to softly squeeze and lift that marble upwards, deep inside your body. Hold that gentle squeeze for a moment and then consciously release it, feeling the muscles fully relax back down. The relaxation phase is just as important as the contraction. Inhale as you relax your pelvic floor. Exhale as you gently squeeze and lift. Take your time with this step. Mastering the art of finding and isolating these muscles is the most important part of your journey. So be patient and gentle with yourself. Now that you have successfully identified your pelvic floor muscles, it's time to put them to work. The classic Kegel exercise. This is the cornerstone of pelvic floor strengthening. Let's start with the basic technique. Once you're in a comfortable position, lying down is still best for beginners. Take a deep breath. As you exhale, gently squeeze and lift your pelvic floor muscles just as you practiced. Hold this contraction for a count of 3 seconds. It should feel like a gentle lift, not a forceful clench. After 3 seconds, inhale and completely relax the muscles for a count of 3 seconds. This rest period is vital for muscle recovery and preventing fatigue. The goal here is consistency, not intensity. You are training for endurance. Think of it like a bicep curl for your pelvic floor. You wouldn't try to lift the heaviest weight on your first day, and the same principle applies here. Your initial aim should be to complete a set of 10 repetitions. Each repetition, a 3-second hold, and a 3-second relaxation. If you can't hold it for 3 seconds at first, that's perfectly okay. Start with 1 second. Start with 2 seconds. Gradually build your way up. The most important thing is to maintain proper form. The beauty of Kegels is that no one knows you're doing them. This makes it easy to integrate them into your daily routine. Mastering the basic Kegel is a fantastic achievement, but the true secret to a strong and functional pelvic floor is using it during daily activities. Train these muscles to turn on automatically before moments of physical stress. Think about what happens when you cough, sneeze, laugh, or lift something heavy. These actions raise intra-abdominal pressure and push down on the pelvic floor. If the muscles aren't ready, That's when leaks can happen. The trick is to preemptively engage your pelvic floor just before these events. Right before you cough, sneeze, or lift, quickly squeeze and lift your pelvic floor. It's like a supportive hug for your insides. You can also integrate pelvic floor engagement into your regular workout routine. While doing squats, exhale and gently engage as you push up. During a plank, maintain a slight, continuous engagement to stabilize your core. Everyday movements are opportunities to practice. When you get up from a chair, exhale and engage as you stand. This constant, low-level integration builds real-world strength. Consistency is your superpower. This is why starting under the guidance of a professional is so valuable. Your health journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Embracing this practice is an incredible act of self-care. You have the power to build a stronger, healthier you from the inside out. Keep up the great work, be patient with your progress, and trust in the power of consistent daily effort.